I'm teacher Zach, and today's speaker. I'll teach you how to use the HiTeach new AI features. And I see we'll focus on how to use those new functions in HiTeach, like AI function, like the collaboration task, or like the mind map, something like that. Okay, so if you're a whole new user of HiTeach, of course you can still join us too. But maybe there are something not that easy to you. But I'll also tell you how to get some free license of HiTeach. Okay, so after today's training, you can also get some free license of HiTeach and go back to your school and try to use this software in your classroom. Okay, so today we'll have two parts. The first part, I'll introduce those new functions and I'll show you how it works. I'll do a demonstration and I'll ask you to join my classroom to become my student. And then I'll show you how these features works. And then the second part, I'll teach you how to use these features in your own HiTeach. Okay, so I recommend you to have two devices today. Okay, one computer or tablet, another is maybe your cell phone or another computer or your tablet, because later when we go to our second part, you will use your own HiTeach to practice. So you might need your computer, you might need your tablet with HiTeach, then you can practice those features. But also another device can become your student device. Okay, so in the second part, I'll ask you to play two roles in the same time. One role, you use your computer to become teacher. Another role, you use another device like your cell phone to become a student. And then you can try to use those functions I'll teach you later. Teachers start like an AI task and student can answer, can respond. Okay, that will how we works later. Okay, so I recommend you to have two devices. The first one, a computer. It's necessary because HiTeach need to download in your computer. Another one can be your cell phone, can be your tablet or another tablet. That's okay. Okay, it's your computer with Windows system. And then you just open a browser and search HiTeach download in your browser. Just search HiTeach download in your browser. And then you'll find this, okay, HiTeach 5 Smarter Teaching System download and install. Okay, you'll find this website, get in, and then here is the download icon here. Okay, you'll see a download icon here. And then you can download HiTeach in your own computer, and then you can install it, and then you can use it. Okay, HiTeach is free for everyone to download. It's free for everyone to download. So everyone today, if you want to try to use HiTeach, you can download it now. Okay, it's free for everyone to download. Okay, another part, I'll also ask you to download an application in your cell phone. Okay, I'll also ask you to download an application in your cell phone. This application called HiTA 5. Okay, this application called HiTA 5. This one is for your cell phone. Okay, different. HiTeach for computer and HiTA 5 is an application for your cell phone. So you can go to the app store or you can go to the store in your cell phone and search HiTA 5. And then you'll find this application and then you can download it in your cell phone. Okay, so before we're going to talk about the new features in HiTeach, first of all, I want to go to review the history of HiTeach. Okay, just let you know how many features HiTeach has already published and what's new today. Okay, so when we go to the HiTeach history, I just want to let you know, okay, if you are the first time you know the HiTeach software, I just want to let you know that HiTeach is published by HABOOK team here, my company in Taiwan. Okay, and we have already established more than 20 years, and all of our team, many our team members, include me, was a teacher in class in school. Okay, so we know the need of teachers, and we want to develop those functions that teachers really need can use in their classroom. Okay, so that's why we publish HiTeach, this software. Okay, so just like I say, HiTeach was founded in more than 20 years ago in 1999. Okay, so from 1999 to now, 2025. Okay, it's a new year now, 2025. We go more than 25 years, and we launched HiTeach 1, Team Model 1, to now we have already in the HiTeach 5, Team Model 5 generation. Okay, so there are many generations, and of course, every generation has their own new features. Okay, so now I want to let you know what is the main functions, what is the main features in HiTeach 5. I want to play a video first, and through this video, you'll review those strong functions in HiTeach. Okay, let's see this video first.
The most important feature of HiTeach 5 is that it is free of lesson preparation, easy to use, and easy to get started.
Can you hear the video?
HiTeach can be turned into a transparent toolbar to be used with PowerPoints, web pages, ebooks, and other teaching resources, and can be activated at any time for teacher-student interaction. Students don't need to install any application, they can quickly connect to HiTeach with their browser and interact with it immediately. HiTeach can also be used with document cameras and webcams to seamlessly integrate digital and paper-based teaching materials. HiTeach contains tools for classroom management, interactive whiteboard, teacher-student interaction, learning assessment, and more. One HiTeach can be used to cover multiple sets of software, eliminating the trouble of assembling multiple software and switching between them. HiTeach has comprehensive tools for interactive learning, task learning, multivariate assessment, peer assessment, team-based learning, collaboration learning, and differentiated learning. These tools can be combined to create a variety of methods and strategies for teaching. For example, multiple choice questions and differentiation modules can be combined to implement differentiated learning based on statistical data. And subjective questions and peer assessment modules can be combined to let students exchange and correct each other's answers, and so on. HiTeach combines various AI modules, including AI text analysis, AI speech recognition, ChatGPT, and AI Sokrates service. Texts sent by students can be analyzed and generated into word clouds, keyword frequencies, etc. Articles and texts can be summarized, reviewed, and graded by AI. The correctness of the speaking exercises can be automatically reviewed by the AI. In addition, AI Sokrates is an exclusive coach for teachers that automatically analyzes the behavioral data of each lesson and provides feedback to teachers, helping them to quickly master the essence of HiTeach's functional design. HiTeach is also a powerful learning data generator that records lesson data such as attendance, points, engagement level, student work, interactive scores, test results, and classroom performance. Combining with the Team Model Cloud platform, teachers can view lesson records and test analysis reports. Students can practice questions they got wrong immediately after class for precision review. HiTeach is the essential software to help teachers with the 4 major teaching components: teaching, assessment, diagnosis, and remediation.
Okay, HiTeach. Okay, a few key points of HiTeach. The first feature of HiTeach is that HiTeach can use in any page. No matter which kind of your material is, like you want to use the web page, or you want to use the PowerPoint, you want to use another software, okay? HiTeach can start interactive QA and analyze the result instantly and in any page. Okay, so no matter what kind of materials you like to use, you can use HiTeach with your material. Okay, so this is the first feature. And then the second one, because HiTeach is an interactive software, so how to interact with your student is very important. And for HiTeach user, your student can connect with your teacher with their PC, their notebook, their tablet, their phone. They can use their any kind of device. Just like I said, you can use your cell phone to connect with me, interact with me. And also you can ask students to use their computer, the tablet, everything can be used. And students don't need to download any application, don't need to install any software. Just connect the net and then students can interact with their teachers. It's very, very convenient. And this is the second feature of HiTeach. Okay, and the third one, okay, HiTeach realized many kind of modern teaching strategies in our software. Okay, like you can do cooperative learning in HiTeach. You can do some learning task in HiTeach. You can interact with your student in HiTeach. You can do some assessment in HiTeach. Many different teaching strategies you can use in HiTeach. This is the third feature of HiTeach. And the last one, HiTeach will record lesson data automatically after your classroom. So when you end your lesson, you go back to your office and you turn on your computer and you can see every student, their learning situation, their score, or their points, or their homework. You can see everything in your in your computer. Okay, so our system will record every lesson data automatically. Okay, so this is the feature of HiTeach. Okay, so all of these features has already you can already use it in HiTeach now. But today our point is to tell you and learn what's new in 2024. Of course, I know now it's 2025, okay? But all these new functions was published last year. And of course, this year we'll have some new functions. You can expect that, okay? So I'll tell you what's new in 2024, and then I'll show you how to use these functions. The first thing, maybe you never used it before, is called HiTeach 5 transparency mode. I like to use HiTeach with PowerPoint. And in the past few years, we recommend teachers to import your PowerPoint into HiTeach. But now you can try another way, which we call HiTeach 5 transparency mode, which means we can make our HiTeach interface become transparent. And because it's transparent, so you can see every materials through HiTeach. Okay, so no matter you want to use PowerPoint, you want to use the web page, you want to use another document, you can use the HiTeach transparency mode to use all of your materials through HiTeach. Okay, this is the first new features in HiTeach. Okay, and the second new features in HiTeach is what we call smart rating or peer assessment, which means you can ask every student to give their classmate a score. Okay, for example, teacher just collect every student's like a drawing, and you can send it to every student, and everyone can give his or her classmate a score and some comment. Okay, this is what we can do now in HiTeach. We call peer assessment. And next one, the most important one today, is HiTeach AI GPT Assistant. Okay, now you can use AI in HiTeach. And how to use it? You can do many things. You can use AI. You can ask AI to do a summarize. You can use ask AI to read an essay and give you some questions. Or you can ask AI to score your student. You can ask AI to do many things, and later I'll show you how to do that. Okay, and then next, okay, HiTeach collaboration task. Okay, what is collaboration task? Which means you can ask every student to edit a picture, to edit a page together. Okay, this is what we call collaboration task. I don't know if you have used the Google Jamboard before. If you had used the Google Jamboard before, you'll know what is collaboration task. Okay, and then I'll show you later. Okay, the next one, HiTeach Mind Map. Okay, HiTeach Mind Map, just like what you see in this picture. Okay, Mind Map can collect every student's thoughts together and to make a mind map like this. Okay, the last one is what we call HiTeach Contest Game. Okay, it's a new mode in HiTeach. Okay, it's very funny. Student can answer question and just like in contest. Okay, if you got the correct answer, you can go to the next level. And if you got a wrong answer, you'll fail and you cannot go to the next level. It's very funny. Okay, it's very excited. So we'll show you later. Okay, so all of these new features is HiTeach new features launched in. So now, because just say you cannot really understand, you cannot realize how good it is, right? So now I'm going to do a demonstration for you, and I'll ask you to join my class to become my student, and then I'll show these functions to you. Okay, so everyone now online, I'll ask you to join my lesson. You have two ways to join my lesson. The first way, I'm going to test a link in the Google Meet chat box. Okay, you can use this link. Just click that link and then join my class. Another way, you can use the QR code on my page. Okay, you can use your cell phone, your tablet to scan this QR code, and then you can join my class, become my student. Okay, so I ask everyone, okay, no matter where you're from, no matter how familiar the HiTeach, okay, you can join my classroom and to feel that new functions now. Okay, nice. So let's start to do my demonstration. Okay, first of all, I want to show you the transparency mode I just mentioned. Okay, what is transparency mode? Now, as you can see that my HiTeach screen is a whiteboard here, right? But I just need to click one button and then see this, okay? When I click this button, my HiTeach will become transparent. Can you see that? Okay, the toolbar is still here, but the HiTeach is become transparent. So I can see my desktop now. So in this mode, I can go to any materials I want to use. Like I can open in PowerPoint. I can go to like, maybe I can go to a web page. Okay, I can go to any page I want, and I can teach in that page, and also I can use all the functions of HiTeach because my toolbar is still here. Okay, just make an example here. Okay, this is the PowerPoint. Okay, this is a PowerPoint. So now I'm teaching about this PowerPoint. This is my material, and when I go to this page, I want to ask my student this question. Okay, I want to ask my student, hey, what type of sport do you like the most? So in this transparency mode, I can just start an interactive pop quiz in this page. Okay, so now I want to ask you, what type of sport do you like the most? So here I can use my HiTeach toolbar to start a single answer question here. And then now you can answer my question. Okay, as a student, you can see there are some options in your device, in your page, and please answer my question now. Okay, you can see 9 options, okay, but we have only 4 options now. Okay, so please just choose option A, B, C, or D. What kind of sport do you like the most? Like ball sports, or water sports, or track and field, or others? Let me see the chart. Okay. Okay. Most of people choose option A. Okay. Most of people like ball sports. Maybe because if I want to ask any one of student which kind of ball sport do you like the most? Like what I say, maybe you like basketball, you like baseball, or you like maybe badminton. Okay, but if I want to ask any student to answer my question, I can pick out someone from who choose option A here. Okay, I want to pick out someone who choose option A. Okay, student number 40. Can you type down? Uh, and this is how we can do an interaction with our students in our classroom. Okay, just show you how it works. Okay, so you can do an interactive Q&A with your student in any page. Like here, this is just a PowerPoint page. Okay, so this is how transparency mode works. Okay, this is the first thing I want to show you. And then let's go to the second part. Okay, here I want to show you how AI can score every student and how you can do peer assessment in your classroom. Okay, so here I want you to share your favorite sport and the reason why you like that sport. Okay, so now I'm going to start and close question. Please, okay, please type down what's your favorite sport and the reason why you like that. Okay, type it down, and later I'll ask AI to score your answer. Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes. Okay, time's up. Okay, let's see the answer. Okay, here. Okay, I can see every student's answer here. And now I want to ask my AI GPT assistant to give all of those students an score. So I can start the AI here. Okay, and I want to ask my AI to give every student a score by this criteria. Okay, I got some rules. Okay, I'll tell AI if that student just have a clearly statement their favorite sport, you can get 2 points. Okay, so you can get if you provide a reason for like it, you got 3 points. Okay, so you can get the highest point is 10 points. And then let's see how AI works. Okay, so here, can you see that? AI gives every student a score and a comment. Okay, and then I can also send the score and comment to you. So you can see on your tablet, on your student device, the score you got and the comment from AI. Okay, so this is how AI scoring every student works. Okay, and of course, just like I say, not only AI can give you score, I can also ask your classmate to give you scores. Okay, so I can start the peer assessment now, and then later you'll receive one answer from your classmate, from someone. Please just give he or her and score. Okay, right. Here's the scoring criteria. Okay, so you can see this criteria, and then you can try to score your classmate. The total score is 10. It's 10 points. Imagine that in your classroom, not only teachers can give students scores, AI can give them scores too. Your classmate can give them scores too. Okay, so you can have many different ways to do like an assessment in your classroom. Okay, time's up. Let's see the result. Okay. Okay. So this is lost scores you got from AI or you got from your classmate. Okay. So this is how we can use the AI assessment and the peer assessment function in your classroom. Okay. I'll teach you how to use that later. Okay, I'll just show you first, and I'll teach you how to which icon and which functions, how to use that, how to start that. I'll teach you later. Okay, I'll just show you first. Okay. Another part, I want to show you a mind map collaboration task. Okay, we just mentioned about what kind of sport do you like, right? So now I want to ask you to do and collaborate to finish this mind map together. What do you think are the benefits of sports? Okay, what do you think are the benefits of sports? So let me start a mind map here. Okay, what do you think? The topic is what do you think are the benefits of sport? Okay, the benefits maybe the physical benefits or the mental benefits or other benefits. Okay, so you can add any thought here. Now I want to start a collaboration task. And every student in your device, you can see an icon just like shaking hands. Okay, you just click the shaking hands icon, get into this mind map, and then you can start to add anything you want. Okay, maybe you can, maybe I can start, I can add a comment here, physical benefit, what kind of physical benefit, or what kind of mental benefits, or others. Okay, you can try to add something. One. Okay, finished. Okay, I stop this collaboration task. And this mind map is built by all of you. Okay, so we can discuss of it in your classroom, right? And also you can ask AI to do a summary. Okay, you see this corner, the right corner here, you can ask AI to do an AI summary. And AI will give you a new mind map. AI will summarize those information in that mind map and give you a whole new mind map here. Okay. Yeah, so this is how we use mind map collaboration task in your classroom. Okay. Okay. Another part. Okay, we talk about AI can do many things today, right? You can ask AI to to what I just do. Okay, you can ask AI to score your class, your work. You can ask AI to summarize that mind map, and also you can do one thing. You can ask AI to generate some questions. Okay, so now I want you to, I want to give you maybe 2 minutes to read this article. Okay, I want to give you 2 minutes to read this article. And then I'll ask AI to generate some questions based on this article. So now as a teacher, I want to make sure my student really understand this article. So I put this article into my AI assistant, and then, okay, I ask AI to to ask some questions based on this essay. Okay, and I want my AI to generate single answer questions, three single answer questions here. Okay, let's see how it works. Okay, so there are 3 questions here generated by AI. Okay, it's cool, right? And then I want to use these 3 questions to start a contest game to show you what is contest game. Okay, so let me start a contest game. Just like I say, contest game means that, sorry, wait a minute, here. Okay, the contest game means that everyone can answer that question, but if you fail, if you got the wrong answer at the first question, and then you cannot get to the second question. Okay, and only those who can survive to the end. Okay, so you will be the master. Okay, let's try it. Okay, so the first question, what is one of the key physical health benefits of participating in sports in that article? Okay, choose your answer. Yeah, choose your answer. Okay, I see someone say that this model support other language more than, yes, yes. Yeah, we can support many different kinds of language. Which kind of language do you want? Yeah. Okay, come back to my picture. Here, okay, last one who light up means he or she got the correct answer, and they can go to the second question. And last one who didn't light up means you got the wrong answer. So you failed here, okay? Okay, let's go to the second question. Okay, you can answer. 2, 1. Okay, again. Okay, some of them already still survive. Okay, let's go to the last question because I got only 3 questions here. Okay, the last question. 2, 1. Okay, then here. Okay, those are the winners. Okay, they got all these 3 questions correct and very fast. Okay, if you got the same score, the faster one will be the winner. Okay, so this is how contest game runs. Okay, yeah, so all of these functions are new features in HiTeach I want to show you. And one more thing, we can use AI not only during the classroom. When we end our lesson, AI will generate an AI summary, an AI timeline of our of our class. Let me show you. Okay, this is AI timeline. What is AI timeline means? Here you can see. Let me zoom in, show you that. Okay, this is the classroom timeline, and this is all the functions I use in my classroom. So, for example, here I use the pick out function. Here, about maybe this is 5 minutes or maybe 6 or 7 minutes. I use pick out functions. Okay, and I change pages here and here and here. Okay, so AI will collect all the data in your classroom, and then when teacher go back to your office, maybe you want to review this class. Maybe you forget. Oh, did that question in my classroom? I forget. So you can go back to see this timeline, and you can see like for example here. Okay, I do an pop quiz here, and this is my pop quiz. Okay, and I flip card, and I can see every student's answer here. Okay, so AI will collect all the data in your classroom, and you don't need to worry that other people can see this timeline. Only you can see this timeline. Okay, so you can go back and you can review your class, you can review your students' answers. Okay, and you can help your student to improve those skills they need to be improved. Okay, so this is how AI can be used after your classroom. Thank you so much. So we're going to the second part. In the second part, I'll tell you how to use those new functions I show you. Okay, so in 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 the last 1 hour, I'll leave more time for you to try by yourself. Okay, I'll just tell you how to use this function, and I'll give you maybe 5 minutes. You can try it by yourself. And if you have any question, just type it down, and I'll help you to solve your question. And then we go to the another function. Uh, I'll tell you how to use that function, and you can try it, and then another function like that. Okay. Okay, so the first thing I want to tell you how to use is the transparency mode, right? Okay, just like I said, transparency mode. Okay, so if you want to use the HiTeach transparency mode, first thing you have to start your lesson. Okay, the transparency mode can only be used when you start lesson. Okay, because there are many teachers usually ask me, hey, teacher Zach, why I don't have that transparency mode icon? Okay, and answer is because they didn't start lesson. Okay, so you have to start lesson first. And also, if you are the new user of HiTeach, let me teach you. When you get into HiTeach, okay, when you download HiTeach in your computer, you can find an icon like this. Okay, you can find this HiTeach icon here. Okay, and you double click HiTeach, and then you'll see a login here. Okay, you'll see a login window like this. Okay, so you have two ways to log in. The first way, you can use all these icons to log in. Like maybe you just register your account in HiTA by Google account. So you can here, you can also use Google account to log in. Okay, this is the first way. Another way, you can use your HiTA application in your cell phone. You get into HiTA, and then you can see on the right corner, HiTA can open your camera, and then you can scan this QR code, not this one, okay? You can scan the QR code on your computer, on your page, okay? And then you can log in. Okay, so you have two ways for those new users. And when you get into HiTeach, okay, just do these things. First, click Start Lesson. Okay, first, click Start Lesson. And then here you might see two lessons called A and B in your course list. Okay, you can choose one, A or B, whatever. Choose one you like. You can choose one and then start. Okay, when you start, you can start to try to use those functions I'll teach you later. Okay. Okay, so come back to transparency mode. So if you want to use transparency mode, the first thing you need to start lesson first. Okay, after you start lesson, you can see here this icon here. Okay, this icon here, just like this. Okay, find this icon on your toolbar, and this icon is the switch. Okay, this icon is the switch. You can get to the transparency mode and also go back to the whiteboard mode by this icon. Okay, so let me show you. Just press this icon, and then you can see my whiteboard become transparent like this. Okay, you can still see the toolbar. It's shorter, but you can still see it there. Okay, and then if you want to go back to your whiteboard, just click the thin icon here, and then you can go back to your whiteboard. Okay, so this is a switch. Okay, go back to the whiteboard or go to the transparency mode. Okay, okay, so now when you get into transparency mode, you can see here, here's a mouse. Okay, you can see a mouse here. So you can use the mouse icon to do whatever you like. Okay, just like you hold your real mouse. Okay, I can open any material. I can go to different pages. Okay, I can go to different pages, or I can play an YouTube video. Okay, I can play a YouTube video, Okay, you can do anything you like. Okay, just like how you use your mouse. Okay, and when you want to do an interaction with your student, here, just click, this remote icon. Okay, in any page. For example, if I want to here, okay, I have a BBC page here. Okay, in this page, I want to interact with my student, so I can click the remote, okay, the remote icon here, and start a single answer question or multiple answer question or true false or close or buzz in. I can start everything here. Start it, and then your student can answer. Okay, so this is how transparency mode works. Okay, and when you finished, just click. Here is a trash can. Okay, can you see that? Here's a trash can here. Okay, here's a trash can here. Okay, just click the trash can, and it will all be clear. Okay, you can go back to your page and keep going to the next page. Okay, let me try it again. Now I start my PowerPoint here. Okay, so here, this is my PowerPoint. Okay, this is my PowerPoint, and I can teach like this. Okay, and when I get to this page, okay, I want to ask my students some question. So I can start a single answer question here. Start it. Okay, start it. And then when student already finished their answer, just click the trash can clear. Okay, and then use your mouse to the next page. Okay, in this page, I want to do a closed question. Again, I can start a closed question here. Okay, a student can answer, and after student answer, trash can, clean it, and then use mouse to go to the next page, like this. Okay, yeah, so you can try to use transparency mode in your own HiTeach. And then don't forget, if you want to go back to the whiteboard mode, also use the switch, and then I can go back to the whiteboard. Okay, so now for everyone, you can try to use the transparency mode in your own HiTeach. I'll give you 3 minutes. Okay, you can try to use the transparency mode. And for those one who never used HiTeach before, maybe you have a question how to connect to a student, right? Because I need to connect the student to try to interact with them. Okay, so now you have HiTeach in your PC or your notebook, and then you need another device. Like I say, you need your cell phone or tablet. Okay, and then the only thing you need to do is to open student list here. Okay, by this icon here. Okay, and then you can see there's a QR code here. So you can use your cell phone, you can use your tablet to scan this QR code. Not this one. Okay, you don't need to connect with me now. Okay, you don't need to connect with me now. Okay, use your own cell phone to connect to your own HiTeach, and then you can play two roles. You can play teachers, and also you can try to become a student to answer your questions. Okay, so this is how students connect. Okay, come back. So the second thing I wanna teach you how to use is the mind map and the collaboration task. Okay, first, let's talk about mind map. How to start a mind map? It's very, very easy. Okay, you can see a mind map icon here. Okay, you can see a mind map icon here. Okay, see my arrow? The mind map icon just like this. Okay, very ugly, but I think you can understand. Okay, so this is a mind map icon. Oh, by the way, sorry, I forgot one thing very, very important. If you want to use all these new features, the first thing you need to do is to make sure that your HiTeach is in the new version. Okay, so you can try to make sure that here, okay, here in your picture, okay, in your personal profile here, Okay, you click your picture, and here you can see the HiTeach version. Okay, and the latest HiTeach version is 5.3.0.12. Okay, so if you are using the old version, maybe you can say, I don't have my map, or I don't have AI. Why? Okay, because you have to update your HiTeach to the latest version. Okay, so if you cannot see those functions, maybe you need to update your HiTeach first. Okay, okay, go back. So if you're in the latest version, you can see the mind map here. Okay, you can see the mind map here. Okay, and then when you click the mind map icon here, you can create your own mind map here. Okay, so for example, I can edit the mind map topic. What is my topic? Okay, okay, my topic, and then the subtitle like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, something like that. Okay, so you can create your own mind map like this. Okay, so you can try to do that. And then when teacher finish that mind map, you want to start a collaboration task for students to finish this mind map together. The things you need to do is here. Okay, in the task button, you can see two hands like this. Okay, you can see a function like this. Okay, two hands with one pencil, and that is the collaboration task. Okay, so in the mind map page, we start a collaboration task here. Okay, and you can choose to start a whole class collaboration. Means the whole classroom will co-write this, co-edit this mind map together. Or you can use the group collaboration. Means every group will collaborate together. Okay, you can try which one do you like. Okay, choose a collaboration task, and you want to use the mind map concept map. Yes, and you want to lock notes. Okay, what is lock notes means? Okay, if you didn't choose lock notes, then your student can edit those things you have already added. Okay, student can change the title or change those text you have already write down. Okay, so you can choose to lock notes or not. Okay, and then confirm. Okay, then the collaboration test start. Okay, so as a student in student's device, they can see a shake hand icon in their device, and when they click that shake hand icon, they can start to co-edit this mind map together, like what we tried the last lesson, right? Okay, and then when students has already finished this mind map, you can stop it. You can stop it, and then you can also replay, or you can see the statistics. Okay, how many students has joined this mind map, and who add which one, which maybe which concept is added by whom. Okay, you can see everything here. You can see the history here. Okay, so this is how mind map and collaboration task works. Okay, so you can try to do this. I'll give you 5 more minutes. There are two more things I want you to know about these two functions. First, in mind map, okay, maybe you have a question. So teachers can only start to edit that mind map during the classroom? No, okay. Our mind map here, as you can see here, this mind map. Okay, mind map. You can see in this corner, here, okay, you can see a triangle there. You can see a blue triangle there, okay, and here you can copy this mind map. You can copy this mind map, and then you can paste it in any other pages, even not in HiTeach. Okay, you can paste it in your maybe your uh, Word document, or you can copy it in your whatever. Or you can copy it in anywhere you want. It's just a text box. Okay, and when you go into your classroom, you want to create this mind map. Okay, just copy this text box, and then start a mind map, and then here in this triangle you can overwrite. Okay, you can overwrite it, and then your mind map will be generated immediately. Okay, so you can prepare it before your classroom and save it as a text box, and then when you go into your classroom, during your classroom, just start a mind map and then test it, override it. Okay, and your mind map will be generated immediately. Okay, just let you know. Another thing I want to let you know is that the collaboration task, another way to use. Okay, you have another way to use the collaboration task is what we call differentiated collaboration. Okay, what's that mean? That means you can ask your student, every group student, to do different tasks in the same time. Okay, like this. Let me show you. Okay, if I use differentiate collaboration task here, I can give group number 1 and group number 2, just for example, different pages. Okay, this page I want to give group number 1, and this page I want to give group number 2. Okay, so when I start the collaboration task, as you can see, they got the different pages. Okay, so in the same time, in the same task, you can ask your different groups to do different tasks. Okay, so it's very, very useful. Okay, just let you know, this is what we call differentiated collaboration task. Okay, so list features I just want to let you know. Okay, and now we are going to the most important part. Okay, AI. How to use AI GPT in HiTeach. We just show you how to use AI to like scoring your student, or like AI to generate questions. Okay, and how to use that. First of all, where is the AI function? It's just here, very, very clearly on your toolbar. You can see AI. If you didn't see the AI icon, first, just like I say, make sure you got the latest version of HiTeach. Okay, and if you're very sure that you are in the latest version, maybe maybe you can try to find your AI function in this box. Okay, in this box, the white, too ugly. Okay, you can try to find AI in this box. Okay, maybe it's hiding inside. Okay, you can just make sure. Okay, so when I start the AI function, as you can see, there are many different prompts, groups, default in this HiTeach AI Assistant. You can see common prompts, you can see question prompts, you can see mind map prompts here. So which means you can ask AI to generate a mind map. You can ask AI to generate some question. You can ask AI to like summarize something, or pick out someone, or analyze something. Okay, so you can just add your new prompt by yourself, or you can use those default prompts here. Okay, so let me show you how to use AI. For example, okay, the question prompts. Okay, the question prompts here. Okay, so there are 3 question prompts here, 3 default prompts here, and you can also create your own new prompts. Okay, just like I create a prompt, ask question based on this essay, and what is the essay? So you can find some essay, like, okay, I go to the BBC network here. Okay, just for example. Okay, I can copy. Can I copy that? Not sure. Oh, yes. Okay, I can copy this essay and go back to HiTeach AI. Okay, so I can ask my assistant, my AI assistant, to ask question based on this essay, and I passed this essay. Okay, I passed this essay, and then try it. Okay, and I got some questions. And of course, I can also ask AI to maybe summarize this essay. Okay, so I passed it again. And I want my AI assistant to summarize this essay. Try it. Okay, this is the summarize generated by AI. Okay, so this is how AI works. And just like collaboration task, you can just use AI once in your classroom every time. Okay, but the most important part is that every teacher who joined this meeting today, in the end, I'll give you a form, and when you finish that form, I'll I'll give you an HiTeach AI license for 1 month, and in the future 1 month, you can use AI in your classroom unlimited. Okay, you can as many times you like. But today now, because you didn't got a license yet, okay, so now you can only use 1 time in your classroom, just like collaboration text. Okay, but you can try it. Okay, you can try to do a surprise. You can try to ask AI to generate a mind map, or you can ask AI to generate some questions. You can write your own prompt, or you can use that default prompt to try it. Okay, so I'll give you 5 minutes to try to use the HiTeach AI assistant. But I still got one thing I want to show you, that in HiTeach AI, the AI can not just can read text. Okay, the HiTeach AI can also read pictures. Okay, for example, I have a picture here. This is a Taipei 101. Okay, in Taiwan. Okay, so now I want to give AI this picture, and I want to ask it to generate some questions based on this picture. Okay, try how it works. So we go back to HiTeach AI, and then here's a question prompt. Okay, you can see here a question prompt. Okay, and here is a picture. It's a picture icon here. So I can ask my AI assistant to generate some question based on this picture. So I'll give it this picture to my AI. Okay, this picture. Okay, this picture. And generate questions based on this picture. Try it. See how it works. Okay, there are 3 questions here. Okay, what is the name of the famous tall building seen in the picture? Taipei 101 is the correct answer. Okay, so it is very powerful. Our AI can not just only read text. You can also give the AI assistant pictures, and then it will give you some question, or you can also ask it to summarize that picture. Okay, you can go home and try it. Okay, okay. The last thing I wanna show you. Sorry. So now in HiTeach, in your classroom, you can score by teacher, by classmate using the peer assessment function, or by AI. Okay, so you have many ways to do assistant in your classroom. And then the last function I want to show you today is how to use the HiTeach context game. Okay, and if you want to start the HiTeach context game, you have two ways. The first way, just like what we just do, okay, you can ask AI to generate questions, and then after AI generate questions, you can see here. Here is a context. Okay, on the bottom, do you see that? Here's a context icon. You can start a context game here immediately. Okay, this is the first way. If you ask AI to generate question, and then you can start a context game using those questions. Okay, but if you want to set your own questions, okay, not by AI, you want to set your own questions, you have to prepare your teaching material first. Okay, so let me show you how it works. For example, let me start in PowerPoint, a new PowerPoint here. Okay, so now let me show you. Now I'm preparing my class, my lesson. So I want to ask my student this question: 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals, and I have 4 answers like this. Okay, and the answer is maybe 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so if I want to use this material to start a context game, the first thing I have to do is to set the correct answer inside. So how to set correct answers? Here in HiTeach, just click the hi icon, the first icon on the top. Okay, and you can see a PPT setting tool, PowerPoint setting tool. Okay, you can see a PowerPoint setting tool here. Click it. Okay, and this small window is the PowerPoint setting tool. Okay, so now I have a PowerPoint, and I have this tool, and I can set it. Okay, in this page, I have an objective question. Okay, single answer question. Okay, and the correct answer is 1 plus 2 plus 3. Correct answer is B, right? Okay, so correct answer is B. Okay, and as you can see here, okay, here is the code just written in this PowerPoint. Okay, which means now this materials knows that in this page there is a single answer question, and the correct answer is option B. Okay, and let me save this material. Okay, let me save this material. Okay, then I finish preparing my material, and when I get into my classroom, I want to start the context game. How to start that? Here. Okay, in the assessment mode, here you can see here the last icon here. Okay, you can see the last icon. This one is the context game. Okay, this one is the context game. Start and context game. And then, oh, sorry, I forgot to do one thing very important. Okay, I just prepared an PowerPoint slide, right? But if you want to start a context game, you have to save this PowerPoint as an HiTeach file. Okay, you have to save this PowerPoint as an HiTeach file. Okay, because the context game can only start by HiTeach file. So how to do that? Let me show you. Familiar of HiTeach, you'll know that I can just import my PowerPoint file into HiTeach. Okay, and then I can save this file as an HiTeach HTEX file. Okay. Okay. So that's how we save our PowerPoint file as an HiTeach file. Okay. And okay, do it again. When I get into my class, I have already prepared my material. I have already prepared the context game material, right? So I can use the assessment mode here and this icon. I can start a contest again and choose that file, this HTEX, okay, this HiTeach file. And you can choose the survival mode. The survival mode means that when student fail this question, he or she cannot go to the next level. Okay, but the score level means that everyone can go to the end, but uh, everyone can answer to the last question and just counting the score. Okay, so you have different ways. Survival mode means if you failed, you cannot answer anymore. And the score mode means you can answer to the end. Okay, but just counting the score. Okay, you can try those way you like. Okay, and how the duration of every question. Okay, every question you have how many seconds can answer. Okay, and the music. Okay, so now I can start the contest again like this. And when student answered, you just click this running man, this icon. Okay, and then you can see student got the wrong answer or the right answer. Okay, like this. That's what we just tried. Okay. Yeah, so this is how to start a contest game in HiTeach. And maybe it's a little bit complicated for those new users, but you can try it because it's very, very fun. Students love this function because it's very excited. Okay, so I'll give you 3 minutes to try this function. Teach 333 self-enhancement plan. What's that mean? Okay, for those teachers who never used HiTeach before, maybe you need an HiTeach license. Okay, so the 333 plan is the plan we prepare for new teachers. Okay, everyone, which I just ask you to download the HiTA application in your cell phone, right? So when you get into the HiTA, or not HiTeach, okay, when you get into the HiTA application, you can go to the explore page, and then you can see there is a thing called team model coupon. Okay, when you get into team model coupon, you can see there is a ticket we called HiTeach 343 teacher self-enhancement plan. So you can use that ticket, and then you can get 3 months HiTeach license for free. Okay, you can get 3 months HiTeach lessons for free. This license can allow you to connect with 50 students one time. Not one time, in the same time. Okay, you can you can interact with 50 students in your classroom for 3 months. Okay, and if you can finish some little task, okay, if you can finish some little task, you can get another 3 months and another 3 months. So totally 9 months. That is what we call 333 plan. Okay, so every teacher can get this ticket to get 3 months free license, and then you can you can finish another 2 tasks, and you can get 3 more months, 3 more months. Okay, because now it's already 4 p.m. now, so I didn't say that detail, but you can get into that link to our website, and there's a very detailed to talking about how to get those 3 month license. Okay, so you can try to join this 333 plan HiTeach. Okay, so yeah, this is all the things I want to share with you today, and I want to say thank you again to join this meeting